I can't believe what we've just discovered. We thought everything on the inside of the house was just shuttered concrete, and yeah, it looks as though there are large chunks of it that still are, but look at this. Oh my god! Like, we're looking at our beautiful, gorgeous, brand newly uncovered stone wall. And as we start over here, we see more stone. Jackpot, Dave.
Oh, it's so exciting. We're going to have a gorgeous kitchen, so we are. I'm fine. We will learn a high five by the end of renovation, I swear.
No, we won't. I'd show you it again in the daylight now that the dust has settled and there's been a bit of clearing done. As I said, we had a good feeling that this wall was going to be stone, and probably the one in the little room next to it in the bathroom as well. But we didn't expect that this was going to be stone as well. And now we're wondering, do you know, maybe if there's more stone hiding in more places than we thought. And we're going to try to keep as much of it as exposed as we possibly can, because what a beautiful kitchen this would be. A bit small, yes, but do remember we are planning on extending one day, so we're going to have to bust through our lovely new stone wall and put a door there, but that's a long way off yet. So yeah, we did get a little bit ahead of ourselves starting to demolish this early, but it's also really good to know what we're working with, and to know that that ceiling isn't going to fall down if this divide and breeze block wall here decides to fall down when we start lifting floors, which it might do. We don't know if it's got a foundation. I personally am betting that it does, because it looks like the two rooms were filled separately. But sure, at the same time, I haven't a clue what I'm talking about. I thought you'd also like to see what's been happening with the rubble that we're pulling out. Well, currently we still needed another path. So we've laid this down, and there will be some subfloor rubble coming out as well, which will probably provide another layer on top of that. Now, it's not ideal, it's not very clean and tidy looking, but it is going to improve life considerably. We put down a bit of weed proofing, and as you can see, Dave has been chopping logs for next year's stash, because we intend to have more stoves next year, so we're going to need more timber. And all of this lovely bark mulch that's left behind, we are going to move it over here in the other direction, and I think maybe create a safe little fire pit for when the kids come to visit in the summer. So now that I've had the fun of finding our bonus extra stone wall, I've called a definite halt to renovations again for now, because obviously we still have a full room of crap in here that needs to be sorted out and appropriately stored. And I'm still just taking a bit of time to get my head around that and trying to figure out where all the plumbing should go in these two rooms. But things are motoring along, and I'm hoping that there will be kind of regular content once we do get into it. It's just bloody freezing. It's a little bit early yet to really throw ourselves into it. So do stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to come along on some more witchy and or renovation adventures. Also, I'm putting out a new members video very, very soon. So if you would like to sign up for memberships and get that bonus behind the scenes content, I'm not going to lie, there's not a lot of it, but I do try when I have something to share. Hit the join button down below and you can have a little peruse and see if it's for you. And don't worry if it's not. I love you anyway. So until next time, slán agus bannacht, goodbye, and good luck to you. It's bloody freezing.
Esa odiato la paz.